Have you ever wondered if archaeological findings confirm or contradict the content of the Book of Mormon? Well, they confirm. Check this out. Dr. John Clark of the New World Archaeological Foundation made a list of 60 items that are found within the Book of Mormon. Things like metal plates, steel swords, thrones, cement, barley. Things that have been listed by critics as anachronisms. Now, anachronism is when someone puts something in the wrong sometime, like this. See if you can spot it. Now, the date is correct, so watch for the anachronism. On October 19th, 1781, General George Washington received a telegram from General Charles Cornwallis stating that the British would surrender. Can you see it? Well, it's the telegram, because the telegraph wasn't invented until the 1800s, which makes that an anachronism. And the Book of Mormon, according to critics, is filled with them. And in the year 1842, it looked like the critics could have been correct because of those 60 items that had been confirmed by archaeologists. There were only 13%. But what the critics aren't telling you is that by the year 2000, those 60 items that had been confirmed had grown to 75%. Metal plates? Yep. Steel swords? Yep. Thrones? Yes. Cement? Confirmed. Barley? Confirmed. Now, are there still some things that appear to be anachronisms in the Book of Mormon? Yeah, but just remember that that list is shrinking and the list of confirmations continues to grow. It's fun to watch. So here's a critical question for you. How does a boy living in the middle of nowhere come up with that kind of information, that kind of accuracy, 75% and growing? If Joseph Smith wrote the Book of Mormon, how does he do that? Because not only was that information not available to Joseph Smith, it was almost unavailable anywhere. The first archaeological foundation wasn't established in America until 1879. That's strong evidence that Joseph Smith did not write the Book of Mormon. And if you get the Book of Mormon and you study it, as I have, and you ask God with a sincere heart, as I have, He will confirm to you the truthfulness of the Book of Mormon. The Book of Mormon is a powerful fruit, the foremost fruit of the prophet Joseph Smith. And as Jesus taught us, it is by the fruits that we can identify true prophets.